Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. All right, let me stop. Okay, so you guys wanted a healthier take on potato salad. So I've got you covered. Maxine's Corner, I've got you covered as usual. But guys, before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because it is free. And also hit the bell so you can get your what? Notifications. All right, so with that being said, we have 5 potatoes here that I'm going to peel and boil. Okay, guys, so I peeled my potatoes and I'm going to show you how I cut them. I can just cut them right here for you guys. I'm just going to cut them in half just like that. And then I'm going to put them in my pot with some water. All right, so add water, boil, and I'll be back. In here I have 1.5 cups of cashews, and I didn't have time to soak it, so what I did, I just boiled for 15 minutes. Okay, all right, so I'm adding garlic powder and onion powder to this. I'll leave all the measurements in the description box. Don't worry about it. Okay, Ava is going to add 2 teaspoons of nutritional yeast. Go ahead, that's 1. Go ahead. So once you've done that, the next thing that you're going to add is some salt. And I'm using Himalayan. You can use sea salt as well. It's up to you. To that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar.
I thought that was olive oil.
No. The juice of 1 lemon. Okay, so now I'm going to add 1/2 cups of water. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like so far. I'm scraping everything down, and then I want to give it a taste to make sure that it's not missing anything. I'm just gonna add a little bit more salt. Just a little bit more. And that's all what we will need. All right, that looks perfect. Ava's gonna taste it to make sure that it's good to go. What do you say? Anything else missing, or it's good?
It's good.
Good? All right. And I also have some chopped celery, and I have 1 cup. My daughter loves this so much she's eating it. I have to hide it from her, so put it to the side here. And let's get my potatoes. So when you do make this, don't let them know that it's vegan. Just go ahead and make it and then have everyone eat it. But when they're finished, you said, it's a vegan potato salad and it's healthy. All right, so I'm gonna cut these up. Just dice them small. And you know what? As usual, what do you guys think? You think my bowl is too small?
No.
I think it is. I am going to add, all right, so let's just add all of our dressing inside of here. And mix everything together. Add your celery. Looks so good. Okay, my healthy people, this is our delicious potato salad. Let's just add some dill. You can add fresh or dry dill. I just dropped some of my dill. This is it. Delicious, yummy potato salad. The healthier version. I hope you enjoy it. If you do make it, guys, don't forget to tag me at Maxine's Corner on Instagram. Check out our new website, findwaste.com. You will absolutely find something that you love there as well. And also, don't forget to check me out at maxinescorner.com. And also on Facebook, all at Maxine's Corner. Subscribe to the channel. It's free. If you have an idea for a recipe that you want me to make, go ahead and leave it in the comment section, and I will do my best to make it for you. All right, guys, so this is it. Delicious potato salad. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to chill for 30 minutes or an hour, and then we're going to enjoy this deliciousness. Stay with me. Go on. You know what I'm saying. Stay healthy.